ask you to convey my gratitude to the people of Pakistan for continuous support during the war. And Pakistan was among the countries which openly supported Azerbaijan from the first days of the confrontation. And until the last days, always Pakistan was on our side. We are very grateful to Pakistani government and Pakistani people for a very consistent approach to the issues related to our territorial integrity. Maybe our participants, many of participants do not know, but Pakistan is one of the very few countries which did not establish diplomatic relations with Armenia because of the aggression and occupation. And there are only very few countries like Pakistan. So we always are grateful for that, and this is a real sign of our brotherhood. And probably you know that during the war there have been many flags of Turkey and Pakistan in our cities, and it was, we of course